So let's take a look at this elevated dog bed. The brand did send it over to us to try out to let you guys know what we thought. So thanks so much to them for partnering with us. But I was so amazed by how convenient this one is. There's literally no assembly at all. It just folds open like a camping chair, and you can have it ready for your pup in about 2 seconds. The material feels really durable. It's kind of like that breathable mesh that they use on outdoor lounge chairs, so it keeps the airflow underneath and stays nice and cool. Plus it's chew resistant, which is obviously important if you've got a dog that likes to test things with their teeth. I set it down, and before I could even adjust it, our German Shepherd jumped right on it and made herself at home. The frame is surprisingly sturdy. There's no wobbling or collapsing, even with her climbing around on it, and she's about 100 pounds. It does have anti-slip pads on the bottom too, which is nice so it doesn't slide around on the hard floors. And the best part, again, is that it folds back down really flat, so we can toss it in the car or take it outside with us without any hassle. It's great for camping or just keeping them off the ground in the backyard. It does come in a couple different sizes, but it's a big win for convenience and comfort. Our dog approves. We hope yours does too, and I hope this video helps.